Hi everyone, welcome back to yours truly by Rose for another installment of the What Was I Made For in 2024 Cal. Hi, I'm Cherie Rose, creator of Yours Truly by Rose. I'm a teacher by trade and a crafter at heart. If you like what you see, don't be a stranger and hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more creative content on Yours Truly. The biggest thing to keep in mind when staying organized is that there is no right or wrong way to stay organized. What works best for you might not work for your fellow crafters. These are some things that help me stay organized while I work on multiple whips, a large project, or in this case, a year-long crochet along. In addition to a notebook or a journal, which I keep with me most of the time, I use the online tool Airtable. It is a free app that you can use on your desktop and phone. I dive deep into this app in a past video that I will link. I keep my whips list in this app so I can keep track of where I am in the project, my hook sizes, yarn colors, etc. But what about actually organizing your year-long project bag or the place you keep your large projects? But for this, I use good old-fashioned Ziploc bags. That's right. In some cases, I keep them in a Ziploc bag and store them in a tote or in a drawer, but they all have to be together. That is what I'm doing for my Moss Granny squares. I keep all 6 of my squares in one bag, labeled with the month, and I put the bag in a tote once all 6 squares are complete. This works well since this is a year-long project. That is 72 squares that I have to keep track of. It is always a good idea to keep the crochet hook that you are using for your project in that bag or container. That way there is no second guessing what size you used. Needless to say, staying organized can help any creator or crafter with keeping all of your things together and to help you come back to your project that you may have taken a short break from. I hope this video has helped you get some ideas on staying organized while you are crafting and continue to create with me. Stay tuned for next month's update on the What Was I Made For in 2024 Cal with me, Cherie, from Yours Truly by Rose. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join my community over on Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.